Ukraine and the United States have reached a pivotal moment as they finalize a security guarantees agreement pending signature. This development comes amid ongoing trilateral talks with Russia, which has been strategically signaling with nuclear-capable systems. The completion of this deal is expected to bolster defense-related stocks, particularly those with military contract exposure, as it signifies a strengthening of military alliances and commitments in the region. At UMEX 2026, Schiebel showcased its Camcopter S-301 VTOL UAV, equipped with missile pods, marking a significant advancement in unmanned aerial vehicle capabilities. This demonstration highlights the growing importance of UAVs in modern military operations, offering enhanced flexibility and operational reach. Such technological advancements are crucial as nations seek to bolster their defense capabilities with versatile and cost-effective solutions. In Europe, Germany is accelerating its military rebuild, reflecting a significant shift in public perception and a renewed focus on militarization. This move is part of a broader trend of increased defense spending across the continent, driven by geopolitical tensions and the need for enhanced security measures. As Germany ramps up its military capabilities, defense contractors are likely to benefit from new contracts and increased demand for military equipment. The U.S. National Defense Strategy is placing a strong emphasis on enhancing air defense and counter-unmanned aerial systems (UAS) capabilities. This strategic focus aims to develop cost-effective solutions to counter missile threats and improve the overall defense posture of the United States. Companies involved in air defense and counter-UAS technologies are poised to gain from this increased spending, as the strategy prioritizes these areas for development. Meanwhile, Anduril Industries is expanding its operations with a new campus in California to meet rising defense demands. This expansion is expected to support thousands of jobs and underscores the growing demand for advanced defense technologies. As the defense sector continues to evolve, companies like Anduril are positioning themselves to capitalize on the increasing need for innovative solutions in military applications. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 2.23% to $169.60. This increase is attributed to the U.S.-Ukraine security deal, which is expected to enhance geopolitical stability and potentially lead to new contracts for companies involved in defense analytics and intelligence solutions. Palantir's strong uptrend reflects investor optimism about its role in supporting military and government operations. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a decline of 1.40% to $307.75. This drop comes despite the Philippine Navy's integration of VTOL drones, which AeroVironment is closely associated with. The volatility in AeroVironment's stock highlights the challenges of sector exposure and the market's cautious stance on companies heavily reliant on specific military contracts. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, fell by 3.04% to $110.39. The decline is linked to the broader implications of the U.S. National Defense Strategy, which, while supportive of air defense initiatives, introduces uncertainty regarding budget allocations and contract awards. Kratos, being heavily involved in defense technology, faces market skepticism amid these macroeconomic uncertainties. Rheinmetall AG, ticker symbol RHNDE, saw its stock decrease by 1.67% to $1,799.50. Despite Germany's aggressive military rebuild, which should theoretically benefit defense contractors like Rheinmetall, the stock's decline may reflect short-term market adjustments or profit-taking after recent gains. Investors remain bullish on Rheinmetall's long-term prospects given Germany's commitment to expanding its military capabilities. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, experienced a slight decline of 0.52% to $590.82. The company's revised price target reflects evolving market expectations, driven by positive trends in both defense and commercial sectors. Lockheed Martin's outlook remains strong, with analysts anticipating continued growth supported by its robust portfolio and strategic positioning in the defense industry. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor Palantir for potential contract gains from the U.S.-Ukraine deal. 2. Assess AeroVironment's volatility amid VTOL drone integration. 3. Watch Rheinmetall for long-term gains from Germany's military expansion.